Assalamualaikum viewers, hope you are doing well. We are going to discuss some important multiple choice questions related to simple harmonic motion and waves. We will discuss what are the multiple choice questions and what are their correct and exact solution. MCQ number 1. Which of the following is an example of simple harmonic motion? Option A. The motion of simple pendulum. Option B. The motion of ceiling fan. Option C. The spinning of the earth on its axis. Option D. A bouncing ball on a floor. Simple harmonic motion is basically the to and fro motion about a point is known as simple harmonic motion. The correct answer is the motion of a simple pendulum. That is, a simple pendulum perform simple harmonic motion. MCQ number 2. The mass of the bob of a pendulum is increased by a factor of 3. The period of the pendulum's motion will. Option A. Be increased by a factor of 2. Option B. Remains the same. Option C. B decreased by a factor of 2. Option D. B decreased by a factor of 4. If we increase the mass of the bob by 3, then what will be the effect on the period of the pendulum's motion? The correct answer is remain the same, that there will be no effect. It will be same as it is before. MCQ number 3. Which of the following devices can be used to produce both transverse and longitudinal waves? A string. Option A, a string. Option B, a ripple tank. Option C, a helical spring slinky. Option D, a tuning fork. The correct option is a helical spring slinky. MCQ number 4. Waves transfer. Which thing the wave transfer? Option A, energy. Option B, frequency. Option C, wavelength. Option D, velocity. Which of the following will be transferred by waves? The correct answer is energy. And waves transfer energy from one place to another. MCQ number 5. Which of the following is a method of energy transfer? Then which of the following will be the method of energy transfer? Option A, conduction. Option B, radiation. Option C, wave motion. And option D, all of these. And the correct option is all of these. That these all the methods are a way to transfer energy from one place to another. MCQ number 6. In a vacuum, all electromagnetic waves have the same. Option A, speed. Option B, frequency. Option C, amplitude. Option D, wavelength. That in a vacuum, electromagnetic waves have the same speed, frequency, amplitude or wavelength. The correct option is amplitude. That in electromagnetic waves have same amplitude throughout the time in a vacuum. MCQ number 7. A large ripple tank with a vibrator working at a frequency of 30 Hz produces 25 complete waves in a distance of 50 cm. The velocity of the waves is. That is, if we have a ripple tank and which is working with a vibrator having frequency 30 Hz and it produces 25 complete waves in a distance of 50 cm, then its velocity will be option A, 53 cm per second. Option B, 60 cm per second. Option C, 750 cm per second. Option D, 1500 cm per second. The correct answer is 750 cm per second. MCQ number 8. Which of the following characteristics of a wave is independent of the others? That which characteristic of the wave is not dependent on any other characteristic? Option A, speed. Option B, frequency. Option C, amplitude. Option D, wavelength. The correct option is amplitude. That amplitude is the characteristic of a wave which is independent of others. It is not dependent on any other characteristics. MCQ number 9. The relation between V, F and lambda of a wave is. V stands for velocity, F stands for frequency and lambda stands for wavelength. What is the relationship between them? V into F equals to lambda. Option B, F into lambda equals to V. Option C, V into lambda equals to F, or option D, V equals to lambda divided by F. The correct option is option number B, F into lambda is equals to V. These are the important MCQ related to the chapter number 1, that is simple harmonic motion and waves. Thanks for watching. For any query, you can contact us. Like and subscribe for more updates. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.